fennel leaves.
Yeah, like this. You can
This
buy from
is
supermarket.
known to reduce the sugar blood.
Yeah, very good for sugar blood.
Fennel seeds. A closer look.
The leaves. Okay. See like this. Cut the leaves. Use the leaves. 还有这地方。Okay, see?
Using these leaves
Until you
have
see.
to be done
Mm.
carefully because the stem part of the leaf cannot be eaten.
那不是上网看，你看 see like this it hard, too difficult to remove. That means old.
What is to be done is the leaves to be separated out with the part of that stem which is softer, easily breakable, which is edible, which is used to make the food. The leafy part, the stem part, the rougher and cannot be eaten, it's thrown away. Chop onions.
Yeah.
Fine chopping is necessary.
Yesterday I show you that seed.
Other ingredients we use are turmeric powder and chili powder. Among other ingredients, we have mustard seeds and cooking oil. Here we are using mustard oil or olive oil. Now the leaves have been washed properly. Now cut into pieces. Potato has been already peeled off and cut into pieces and immersed in water to avoid it getting black.
Yeah, this one Monday.
This way you can keep the potato for some time without changing the color. Place a saucepan on the stove. Put oil into the pan and add chopped onions. Then add potato. Stir while cooking to avoid getting stuck into the pan and for even cooking. Add chili about 1 teaspoon, mustard about 1 to 1.5 teaspoons,
No, that is a yellow powder mustard. Not the half teaspoon, not
stir
yeah.
properly. As you can see, the mustard and the
Put a little
turmeric.
water.
Now add water. Mustard and other ingredients are getting mixed into a nice curry. Add a pinch of salt to your taste. Adding salt must be done carefully. Do not add
Too much.
more. It is always better less, because if the salt is less, you can add it later. But if the salt is more, you cannot do anything. It is getting cooked nicely, as you can see. The dish have been cooking for last 15 minutes.
Until the potato is soft.
Let it be cooked until potatoes are softer.
Now potato is soft. So I put this one, this leaves.
When the potatoes are soft, add leaves.
Leaves because walls.
Its leaves are known to have been very excellent remedy for high blood sugar people. The fennel leaves reduces sugar in the blood. The cooking is finished. After the potato has been softer and adding the leaves, do not cook more than 5 to 10 minutes so that the leaves retain its color and the freshness. It looks delicious. The dish is completed. It looks fantastic. Delicious, appetizing, and healthy. Extremely healthy leaves.